Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for clicking on the Tuesday Afternoon Weather Webcast for February 24th, 2015. I'm meteorologist Nate Harrington. Some early morning rain resulted in some slick roads for your morning commute. Hopefully you made it to work or school safely this morning. We're in store for some more rain through Wednesday, and it looks like a dryish end to our work week. We'll talk about that in the full forecast coming up later on News 4 at 5, 6, and 10. Let's get to what's going on right now in the Wiregrass. The rainfall early this morning moved basically from due west to due east as a little upper level disturbance moved through the southeast. We stayed clear of any of the frozen precip that folks to our north had to deal with, although they didn't have too bad of a go of it today. Right now, lots of cloud cover is left over. Rainfall the last 24 hours, this is actually from midnight till right now. About a quarter of an inch in Dothan, about 3/10 in Enterprise, and in Troy, 4/10 in Abbeville. A little bit less down to the south. This was mainly a southeast Alabama, southwest Georgia rain event north of I-10. Folks down close to the coast didn't see much, if anything. Low temperatures this morning. We started off the day basically where the model said, upper 30s and low 40s. Right now, lots of cloud cover around. The showers have translated off to the east, but we've got more rain in store for us through tomorrow as a more potent system gets going for later tonight, early tomorrow, and that rain will move in tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures now have stayed on the cool side of things. Thought it'd be a little bit warmer today. It has been warmer in southwest Georgia with temperatures in the 50s and down closer to the coast with 50s. But for most of us in southeast Alabama and northwest Florida, we've been stuck in the upper and middle 40s. Winds out of the north and northwest at this hour, so it feels a little bit cooler than it actually is, but the wind chill not really too much of a factor right now. All right, the future cast. Over the next 48 hours, it's going to be a big sloppy mess in the southeast. For the next 12 or so hours, we'll stay relatively rain-free. I think a few little light showers early tomorrow morning are possible closer to the coast. Then our real rain chances get going tomorrow right around lunchtime. Closer to the coast, some showers will develop, but more rain moves into the Wiregrass, especially by the early afternoon hours. We're talking anywhere from 2, 3, 4 o'clock. Actually, that's kind of mid-afternoon. We'll see that rainfall start. And then by the evening time hours, it'll start to move out. The heaviest of the rain and any thunderstorm threat really will be to our south and east along the coast where the highest instability is. Folks that are north of here, it looks like probably draw a line from Birmingham north, Jackson, Birmingham to Atlanta and north. We'll see some frozen precip, some snow, with snow probabilities anywhere from 2 to 5 inches possible up in that region for Wednesday afternoon through Wednesday night. And it'll all start to move out into the Carolinas and the Mid-Atlantic by Thursday. And we'll be dry for Thursday afternoon and most likely for the rest of the week. So let's get a little closer to home. There you see the clouds for tonight. Fill back in for tomorrow morning. So kind of a very cloudy next 24 hours for us. And temperatures aren't going to cool off too much for tonight. We'll only see probably a 6 or 7 degree drop in the temperatures from where we are right now to our lows early tomorrow morning. Then the showers move in. Could see a few showers by lunchtime, but the majority of the rain moves in after lunch, 1, 2, 3 o'clock. There you see the futurecast view at 3. Have some more moderate showers that'll start to move in from the south and west. And basically the entire Wiregrass seeing some rainfall by dinner time, 6 or 7 o'clock. Some of the heavier rain down to the south, closer to the coast. This is going to be just a rain event. No thunderstorms or severe weather is expected. The last of the rain moves in and out by 10 o'clock, and we should stay dry from midnight on Thursday. Just some cloud cover left over for early on Thursday morning, but the rain should be done. Temperatures, like we said, aren't going to move a whole lot because of the cloud cover and the moisture in the air. So expect temperatures early tomorrow to be in the low and middle 40s. Highs tomorrow, maybe we'll get into the low and middle 50s, but we'll see. Just all depends on the timing of the rain and the moisture content coming in. A little southwesterly and southerly flow develops. We could get some temperatures that warm up just a bit, but still not going to see a drastic warm up, and definitely not going to see enough instability in the air to cause any sort of a thunderstorm or severe weather threat. So that is some good news with this system. This is going to be all rain that we really, really need. And the model is a little bit divergent. This morning, they were spitting out anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to 2 inches of rainfall. So I think we'll probably fall somewhere in between the 1 to 1.5 inch rainfall measurement. But we'll have a better idea coming up tonight in the full forecast on News 4 at 5, 6, and 10. If you have any questions for the Afternoon Weather Webcast, go ahead and leave those at the social media sites below. We'll see you back here on Wednesday.